Today is I'm not sure, Tuesday, I know that, October 8th maybe. Excuse me. It's pretty early in the morning, about 6:30. Myself and Raylan are headed out on our first daddy-daughter tractor parts run. So we are headed to Hutchinson, Minnesota to meet up with Hans, who has some parts for us. And it's about 93 miles from my house to his place, so it's a good 2-hour drive, since there's really no direct straight shot highway to get there. So we are on the road, and some surprises in store for you, so stay tuned. All right. Guys, we've got the trailer all loaded up. I'm not sure if you can see behind me, but there's a stack of something back there. So when we get back to the house, you'll get a full tour of what we just picked up. So Raylan's been really good. We did have to change her, obviously, when we got down there after a 2-hour drive, and we'll probably have to stop to do a feeding on our way back, but she's been doing great. So far so good. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. Well, there they are, guys. The new parts that we picked up. A full set of steel for the 1928 D. So when we ever get time to working on the D, we will have a roller, which will make a big difference in trying to move the thing around. So plan is to remove all of the steel cleats, and then with the tread that's still on the D, I'll cut the rubber tread portions out. So I'll cut this section out and bolt that to the tops of, or the, I guess the wheel surface you could call it, of the steel wheels. So that's all I've got for this video. We did a little bit of running with the M and it worked good. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully next video we'll be back working on the H. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.